What are you doing?
Put your head underwater.
Don't be throwing water, you can get her camera wet. What are you doing to it? What are you doing?
What happened? You want your towel?
No, my drink.
You want your drink?